Here we come to the elevators at 234 Fayetteville Street in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. I know I already filmed this elevator before, but anyways, you got your Adams call station, but Schindler MT control operating panel. These used to be Westinghouse from 1968, and it got modernized by Schindler. Interesting that you can go to 4 this time. I don't remember that you can go to the 4th floor this time. There's your cab view of this thing. You can barely see him in the mirror. Hi. Anyways, look how small this thing is. See? This is kind of a bit of a tiny elevator. Your MT fixtures. Here's your phone. Schindler. Speaking of Schindler, look what I also have here. Not sure if you can see this well, but I am wearing my very own Schindler T-shirt. Now you can see a better view. See, you can barely see my Schindler logo, coincidentally with the same exact elevator. So what do you guys think of this? I'm gonna send this up and oh, what do you know? I realized you can press this button. Okay, well, that's good to know. Now this one doesn't have a rear door. Westinghouse. 6th floor is locked. The Schindler logo is upside down on this elevator. Looks like this one's a little bit more bigger than the other one. Westinghouse. As you know, Schindler bought out Westinghouse in 1989, so that being said, there it goes, and that's it.